Hello viewers, in this video we will try to talk about some questions that are related to UGC NET previous year question paper. Not only that, we will also try to discuss it in the perspective of SLAT exam, PhD in English exam, entrance exam, and MA in English entrance exam. So here you will not get questions that is related to your specific subject. Since it is the paper 1, therefore this paper will be common for all, irrespective of art, science and commerce subject. Okay, so this paper will be common and general for all. Therefore everybody or everyone must need to go through this paper. So let's try to discuss our first question today. The first question of this series of this video is constructivism in classroom is what? Constructivism in classroom is what? Teacher focused, student focused, activities focused, questions focused. Constructivism in classroom is what? Teacher focused, student focused, activities focused, questions focused. Correct answer of this question will be student focus. Okay, student focus will be the correct answer. Next question we have, it says dash is an innovative tool that enables teachers to take students on immersive virtual journeys and field trips to various destinations. Dash is an innovative tool that enables teachers to take students on immersive virtual journeys and field trips to various destinations. Options are Google Classroom, Google Expedition, Google Virtual Tours, D. MS Classroom Expeditions. Correct answer of this question will be B, that is Google Expedition. Okay. Next question we have is dash type of evaluation is used for monitoring the learning process of students. This type of evaluation is used for monitoring the learning process of students. Summative, formative, diagnostic, assimilative. What will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be B, that is formative. Okay, formative type of evaluation is used for monitoring the learning process of students. Number 4, it says for most classroom purposes, which among the following is the best suited for social skills assessment? For most classroom purposes, which among the following is the best suited for social skill assessment? Checklist, rating scale, numerical scale, rubrics. It seems all options are correct, but let's try to find out the correct answer. Correct answer is D, that is rubrics. Okay, rubrics is the tool that is best suited for social assessment skill. Okay, social skill assessment for the most classroom purposes. Next question we have is dash is an instrumental strategy and a type of blended learning which requires pupils complete reading at home and work on live problem solving during class time. Dash is an instructional strategy and a type of blended learning which requires pupils complete readings at home and work on live problem solving during class time. Virtual classroom, Google Classroom, flipped classroom, hybrid classroom. Number 5. Correct answer will be C, that is flipped classroom. Let's move on to our next question. It is number 6. It says a video conference between Susmita in Mumbai, Radhakanta in London, Barun in Guwahati, Jayanti in Singapore, Sudhanshu in Tezpur, Purukasthaya in Kolkata and Sunil in Bhubaneswar is what type of communication? Options are like this: mass communication, group mediated communication, public communication. Number 6. Correct answer will be C, that is group mediated communication. Next question we have International Standard Book Number ISBN is a dash digit unique numeric commercial machine readable identification number meant for publication of books and books like products 8, 10, 11, 13. What is the correct answer of 7? Correct answer is D, that is it consists of 13 numbers. I think most of you have seen on the back side of the book. Okay, ISBN. Next question is saying APA format is a writing style guide and format produced by the APA format is a writing style guide and format produced by the American Psychological Association, American Psychiatry Association, American Psychological Assembly, Annual Psychological Assembly. Correct answer of this question is A, that is American Psychology Association. Okay, they create APA format writing style and guide and format. Okay. Number 9, it says a narrative literature review. A narrative literature review best refers to what? Gathering, critiquing and summarizing journal articles and textbooks on a particular topic potentially to identify gaps in the literature. B, a paraphrase style of reviewing which does not require referencing. C, an initial impression of the topic which you will understand more fully as you conduct your research. D, the earliest literature is not narrated with full detail. So question number 9's correct answer is the A, that is a narrative literature review best refers to gathering, critiquing and summarizing journal articles and books on particular topic potentially to identify gaps in the literature. That is called a narrative literature review. Now let's move on to our next question. It says from the following list of methods of teaching used in institutions of higher learning, identify those which are learner centric. Project work, chalk and talk, lecturing with audiovisual, computer aided instruction, simulation and role playing. Choose the correct options. 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer of this question is B, that is 1, 4, 5. 1 will come first, then 4 will come, then 5 will come. 1 project work, then computer aided instruction, then simulation and role playing. So this is the learner centric teaching method used in institutions of higher learning. Next, it says a poll is done to estimate the proportion of employees of an organization who think that they are actively engaged in their jobs. The poll is based on a random sample of 400 employees. What is the conservative margin of error of this poll? 0.05, 0.04, 0.25, 0.10. So here you have to do little bit of mathematical equation. Okay, so correct answer of these questions will be number B, that is 0.04. I will not try to solve the question since I wait B is not the correct answer. Correct answer is A, 0.005. How it was 0.005 I will not try to show you. Please do it by yourself. Number 12, it says the discrepancies between the estimate and a population parameter is known as what? The discrepancies between the estimate and a population parameter is known as formula error, sampling error, non-sampling error, common method bias. Correct answer is B, sampling error. Number 13. If there is linear trend present in the population, then which of the following method is the most efficient sampling technique? If there is linear trend present in the population, then which of the following method is the most efficient sampling technique? So these kind of questions are often asked related to sampling technique. Cluster sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, simple random sampling. Correct answer is B, that is systematic sampling. Got it? Systematic sampling. Number 14, it says who called the study of communication rhetoric? Who called the study of communication rhetoric? Socrates, Karl Marx, Aristotle, Noam Chomsky. Correct answer is C, that is Aristotle has said that study of communication as rhetoric is rhetoric or as rhetoric. Next question, it says the most significant approach of evaluation is A. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation, B. Conducting objective term and examination, number C. Maintaining cumulative records of students, number D. Semester system evaluation. Number 15, correct answer of this will be A, that is continuous and comprehensive evaluation. It is related to the most significant approach of evaluation. Number 16, it says which of the following includes examples of quantitative variables. So you will also get so many questions related to variables. So please try to do your own research related to variables in research. So we have to find out the correct answer of this question. Let me repeat the question. Which of the following includes examples of quantitative variables? A is age, temperature, income, height. B, gender, religion and ethnic group. C, grade point, average, anxiety level, reading performance. D, both A and C. Correct answer of 16 will be D, that is both A and C. That is age, temperature, income, height. Then C, grade point, average, anxiety level, reading performance. These are the correct answer. That's why the correct option as per the question will be both A and C. Number 17, these kind of questions are often asked, so be used to it. Statements is given like this: all branches are flowers. A. B, all flowers are trees. Conclusions are like this: number A, 1, all branches are trees, all trees are branches, all flowers are branches, some trees are branches. So these kind of questions will be asked in abundance, so try to solve this kind of questions so that you can solve it easily, effortlessly. Correct answer of 17, it will be C, that means only 1 and 4 follows. 1 will be correct and then 4 will be correct. Some trees are branches, all branches are tree. According to the statements, we have got this conclusion. So this will be the correct conclusion. Number 18, it says there are many countries in the world which, despite high levels of per capita income and GDP growth, real income, experience high mortality rate, undernourishment rate, poor literacy and so on. What is this state called? Let me try to reiterate it. There are many countries in the world which, despite high levels of per capita income and GDP growth, real income, experience high mortality rate, undernourishment rate, poor literacy and so on. What is this state called? Growth with development, development, growth without development, development without growth. So this is a very relevant and important questions for you. These kind of questions are often asked, so please be prepared. 18, correct answer of this question will be C, that is growth without development. So there will be growth in economic activities, but there will be no progress or development. Number 19, it says which of the following research method is based on control observation? Which of the following research method is based on control observation? Historical research, philosophical research, descriptive research, field experimentation. 19, correct answer will be D, that is field experimentation. Field experimentation is the research method which is based on control observation. So you have to also study about various kinds of research method, then only you will be able to solve this kind of questions if asked. Number 20, it says in communication language is a what? Non-verbal code, symbolic code, iconic code, verbal code. 20, correct answer will be D, that is verbal code. Okay, language is a verbal code. Number 21, it's a match the list question. It says match items of list 1 with the items of list 2 and indicate your answer by selecting the correct code. In list 1 we have event, in list 2 we have month, year of occurrence. In list 1 we have the art summit in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where more than 178 countries adopted Agenda 21. B, we have Millennium Summit at UN headquarters in New York led to the elaboration of 8 Millennium Development Goals to reduce extreme poverty by 2015. C. We have United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development Rio Plus 20 in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where number of states adopted the outcome document The Future We Want. D. We have the UN Sustainable Development Summit, where 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development with 17 SDGs at its core were adopted. So these are the year and month: September 2000, June 2012, June 1992, September 2015. Now let's try to find out the correct answer of this question. Number 21, correct answer will be C. That means C is the correct answer. Okay, that means A will be related to 3, B1, C2, D4. A3, B1, A3. The Earth Summit, it is related to June 1992. Then B1, Millennium Summit at UN headquarters, it is related to September 2000. Then C2, D4. Then C is related to Rio Plus 20, June 2012. Then D, UN Sustainable 17 SDGs, it is related to 4, that is September 2015. That's all. Now let's move on. So here we have a little mathematical sum. It says find the wrong number in the series. These kind of questions will be asked. Okay, you must answer. Therefore you have to do some numerical questions also. 2, 3, 5, 7, 12, 17, 19. What will come after that? Sorry, not what will come. Here the question is asking find the wrong number in the series. So there is a wrong number in this line. We have to find out that. 22, correct answer will be C. 12 will not be the correct answer. Means this is the wrong number in a series. Got it? How it is 12, that you have to find out through your numerical ability skill. 23, it says this is also related to maths, so I will not try to show you how to solve it. I will just tell you the correct answer of this question. A, B and C invested capitals in the ratio 3, 5, 9. Okay, the timing of their investment being in the ratio 2, 3, 1. In what ratio would their profits to be distributed? Correct answer of this question will be 2, 5, 3. How? That I don't know. Solve it. 24, it is also related to maths. Bivras walks 20 meter north, then he turns right and walks 30 meter. Now he turns right and walks 35 meter. Then he turns left and walks 15 meter. And then again he turns left and walks 15 meter. In which direction and how far is he from the original position? Correct answer will be 45 meter east. Okay, 45 meter east. Find out how? Find out by yourself. Okay, next question. This is also related to maths. In an organization, 40% of the employees are matriculates, 50% of the remaining employees are graduates, 50% of the remaining employees are postgraduates, and the remaining 75 are PhD holders. How many employees are graduates? 375, 150, 225. Correct answer will be 150. Okay. Next question, it says P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting around a circle and are facing the center. P is second to the right of T, who is neighbor of R and V. S is not the neighbor of P. V is the neighbor of U. Q is not between S and W. W is not between U and S. Who of the following are not neighbors? R and V, U and V, R and P, Q and W. 26, correct answer of these questions will be number A, that is R and V. Number 27, it says the average age of 30 students in a class is 15 years. If the age of 2 teachers of the same age is included, then the new average age becomes 17 years. What is the age of either of the teacher? 44 years, 47 years, 94 years, 54 years. 27, correct answer will be B. 47 years. Wait. 47 years. Next question 28. It says a dealer paid a bike manufacturer raised 1,35,000 for a bike. What should be the selling price of the bike if after allowing a buyer 10% discount on the selling price he made a profit of 8% on his investment? 1,60,000, 1,62,000, 1,52,500, 1,50,000. 28. Correct answer of this question will be B, that is 1,62,000. 29. It says what is 20% of 30% of 40% of 50%? Very interesting question. This kind of questions are very relevant. What is 20%, 30%? What is 20% of 30%, of 40%, of 50%? 12%, 24%, 2.4%, 1.2%. Correct answer will be D, 1.2%. This is the correct answer. Okay, next question. It says the process of learning about our own culture, which is transmitted from one generation to another generation, is known as acculturation, enculturation, interculturation, assimilation. The process of learning about our own culture, which is transmitted from one generation to another generation, is known as what? 30. Correct answer is B, that is enculturation. Very important, remember it. enculturation, enculturation. Third. Okay, so this is a question completely related to maths. In the following pie chart, distribution of candidates who were admitted in MBA and the candidates out of those admitted who passed the examination in different institutes are given like this. Okay, X 60%, P 22%, Q 15%, R 10%, S 17%, B 12%, T 8%. And here too, it is given two pie charts are given: P 18%, X 12%, B 15%, T 9%, S 16%, R 13%, Q 17%. So total number of candidates admitted is 8550. Total number of candidates who passed the examination is 5700. Now we have to find out what percentage of candidate passed the examination from institute T out of total number of candidates admitted from the same institute. Correct answer will be C, that is 75. How? You solve it. You have to solve it, then only you will get to know. 75%. 31. Let's go to 32. 32. It says which institute has the highest percentage of candidates passed to the candidates admitted? 32. Correct answer will be B, that is R. 33. It says what is the ratio of candidates passed to the candidates admitted from institute P? What is the ratio of candidates passed to the candidates admitted from institute P? Correct answer will be C, that is 6:11. Okay, proportionate. Number 34. It says the number of candidates passed from institute S and P together exceeds the number of candidates admitted from institute T and R together by what? 228, 279, 399, 407. 34. So this kind of question you cannot solve just by reading. You have to use your brain, and then you have to solve this question. Okay. Number 35. It says what is the percentage of candidate passed to the candidates admitted for institutes Q and R taken together? 68, 80, 70, 65. Correct answer is B, that is 80%. Okay, so here very different kind of diagram is given. It says study the diagram below and answer questions from 36 to 38. 25, 22, 3, 4, 35, like this it is given. Just look at this: artists, players, doctors. So this picture will be doctor, and this the circle, it is related to players, and then we have artists. So now we have to, after going through this question, we have to find out the correct answer. How many doctors are neither artists nor players? This kind of questions are often repeated, so please try to solve this kind of questions. 36, correct answer will be A, that is 17. Next question, how many players are neither doctors nor artists? 37, that is C. 60. Next, how many artists are both players and doctors? That is D, 3. 39, which of the following are the goals of higher education in India? So many questions related to higher education they will be asked. So study, do your own deep research. Which of the following are the goals of higher education in India? Access, equity, quality and excellence, relevance, value-based education, compulsory and free education. 39. Correct answer of 39 will be B. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not the correct answer. All are okay. Okay? All are okay except this. Let's move to next question. It asks, which one of the following universities is not among the first three universities which were established in 1857? So you have to also study about higher education in India, how it was developed during the time of British and how it evolved after India's independence. What was the first central university, what was the second, third, and like this. So which of the following universities is not among the first three universities which were established in 1857? Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, Delhi. 40. The correct answer of 40 will be D, that is Delhi. Delhi was established later. The rest, Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, they were the three universities which were established in 1857 when Sepoy mutiny occurred, if I'm not wrong. Next question, it says, the red data book which lists the endangered species is maintained by which of the following organization? UNO, WHO, IUCN, WWF. Correct answer will be C, that is IUCN. Okay, so they make a list called the red data book. 42, it says, which of the following clearly mentions that India is a union of states? So many questions related to constitution is also asked that are fundamental things that we must know as a citizen. So that kind of questions too you can expect. So let's try to find out this question. Which of the following clearly mentions that India is a union of states? Article 1, Preamble. Article 13, Government of India Act 1935. 42. Correct answer of 42, it will be A, that is Article 1. Number 43, it says, on the monitor of a computer, a pixel is usually a what? Circle, rhombus, triangle, square. Correct answer will be, on the monitor of a computer, a pixel is usually D, square. It is square. Next, it says CIRRUS. Cirrus refers to what? A low cloud, a high cloud, a rain-bearing cloud, a hail-bearing cloud. Number 44, it is B. So many questions will also be asked related to climate, environment, biodiversity. So this is also an example of that. Next question, it says, which of the following is not a feature of NEP 2020? Okay, 2020. NEP 2020, it is a very revolutionary step taken by Government of India. Therefore, you have to know about them. Therefore, I also request you to go through NEP 2020 in detail, so that any questions, if they ask related to NEP, you will be able to answer it. Okay. So A is saying 10 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. B, multiple exit options in UG programs. C. Multilingual instruction and learning. D. 3-year PG programs. What is the correct answer of 45? Correct answer will be D, that is 45. D. 3-year PG program. So this is not the feature, okay, but the rest 10 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, this is a core principle of NEP. Multiple exit options in UG program, this is also another salient feature. And then C. Multilingual instruction and learning, this is also a soul of NEP 2020. But 3-year PG program, this is not the correct answer, means this is not the correct feature. Okay, here we have to read the following passage and then we have to answer the question. So it is very hard for me to read it, but still, okay, let me read it for you. The eyeball is a little camera in smallness is part of its perfection. As spheroid camera, there are not many anatomical organs where exact shape counts for so much as with the eye. Light which will enter the eye will traverse a lens placed in the right position. There will traverse all this making of eye which will see in the light is carried out in the dark. It is a preparing in darkness for use in light. The lens required is a beacon of action to be shaped truly enough to focus in space. So like this you will get so many. Okay, I will not read all. I will just try to solve it. 46. 46, correct answer of 46 will be, how does light enter the eye according to the passage. Here you cannot use your subject domain knowledge. Okay, just try to mark correct according to the passage that you have read. 46B, correct answer will be B. How does light enter the eye? By traversing the lens of the eye. 47, the iris top of the eye adapts to the image or to the light. 47, correct answer is A, that is automatically. Okay, number 48, it says the shape of the eyeball is maintained by the retina, the aqueous humor cap at a certain pressure, the biconvex lens, the transparent skin in front of chamber. 48, number B, the aqueous humor cap at a certain pressure. 49, the word prescience means what? Instinctual, automatic, natural, foreknowledge. 49, D, foreknowledge is the correct answer. Okay, according to the passage that has been given. Okay, don't use your knowledge here, you have to do according to the passage. Choose the most appropriate description of the passage from those given below. So we have to find out the most correct one. So a class lecture on biology, a section on the human eye from a physiology textbook, and note in a medical handbook, and informal discourse on the amazing organ of sight. So correct answer will be D, that is wait that will be this, an informal discourse on the amazing organ of sight.